Could not install packages due to an environment error, Errno 13. In my macOS Mojave terminal, I wanted to install a Python package with pip. At the end it says, so I wanted to update pip with the given command, but I got an error. I don't really understand what to do now. Also, I realized it says Python 2.7 in the error message, but I haven't want to use only Python 3.
If you want to use Python 3 plus to install the packages, you need to use pip3 install package _name. And to solve the Errno 13, you have to add user at the end. Edit. For any project in Python, it's highly recommended to work on a virtual environment, which is a tool that helps to keep dependencies required by different projects separate by creating isolated Python virtual environments for them. In order to create one with Python 3 plus, you have to use the following command. And then you work on it just by activating it. Once the virtual environment is activated, the name of your virtual environment will appear on the left side of the terminal. This will let you know that the virtual environment is currently active. Now you can install dependencies related to the project in this virtual environment by just using pip.
I changed the rights of the venv that I was working in since the permissions were missing in the virtual environment subfolders. Then I could install an automatically recommended package from within Codium. Mind that this loops through the rights of all folders and files in your venv. If you work in a Git repository, that should keep most of its file rights, so that you do not spam the Git log. If you have write-protected database folders, or anything else the like, you should try picking only the folders that need a change, likely the built-in modules. Check the dependencies of the package you want to install inside the code or on the net. This is not a quick workaround anymore.
Regarding the permissions command, try using sudo in front of your terminal command. Sudo allows you to run the command with the privileges of the superuser and will install the package for the global, system-wide Python installation. Ideally, you should create a virtual environment for the project you are working on. Have a look at this. Regarding the Python, try running pip as an executable like this.
To see if it's actually a problem with permissions, run the following to install a package named XXX. For example, to install package bcrypt run,
I was making the same mistakes, then I realized that I have created my virtual environment as root user. It was write protected, so please check whether your virtual environment is write protected. Make a new venv and try again.
If you want us to help, please visit Lucky Adam Party.